Good day, sir, madam. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. I'm very excited to work with your family. Hi, my name is Ronaldin Domingo Carreño, and I'm from San Mateo, Isabela, Philippines. Single, with one child, the youngest of the 7 siblings. I work as a nanny and helper from June 2022 to January 2024 for a family with 2 adults and 3 children, age 10 months olds, 2 years olds, and 6 years olds. My duties included household chores, washing the car, taking care of the pets, playing with the children, and helping with their assignment, and assisting with the daily care of the children. I am hardworking, honest, responsible, and eager to learn. I am also willing to follow the instruction and adapt to my future employer's culture. I am committed to performing my duties with care and dedication. Thank you. Bye-bye.